Good evening, everyone. Welcome to tonight's class. Welcome to AI-powered content creation class. If you've joined the meeting, drop your name in the comment section and do well to drop your location. As you drop your name, drop your location by telling us where you are joining us from. Welcome everybody to AI powered content creation class. This class is organized by Soluma Consulting, Soluma Institute of Tech and Management. If you can hear what I'm saying right now, drop your name and drop where you're joining us from. Drop it in the comment section. Your name and where you are joining us from. You're all welcome to tonight's class. You are all welcome to tonight's class. As I said, tonight we are going into AI powered content creation. We are going to learn about AI powered content. Okay, so write in the comment section your name and where you are joining us from. Would like to know, some of us that are here would like to know where you're joining us from. Would like to at least get to know you. Tonight is going to be a very big night. We are going to learn a lot, theoretically and practically. Okay, so do well to comment your name and where you're joining us from. Do well to comment your name and where you're joining us from. Welcome to AI powered content creation class. Welcome everybody. My name is Joy, Mrs. Joy, and I'll be taking us through this course tonight. If you're joining us just now, do write your name and where you're joining us from in the comment section. Your name and where you are joining this class from in the comment section. Would like to get to know you and where you're joining us from. Okay, would like to know where you're joining us from and who we are here with. Drop your name and where you are joining us from in the comment section. If you can't type in this comment section, please subscribe, because I think there is a limit to that, right? So click the subscribe button and then type. We need to see you type where you are joining us from alongside with your name. Okay, we are about to begin. Welcome everybody. I can see more people joining. Welcome. This is AI powered content creation class and I'm your facilitator. My name is Mrs. Joy. Please do well to type your name and where you are joining us from in the comment section. If you cannot type in the comment section, please subscribe, because that is how you can continue this conversation with us. so we can also be able to handle your questions at the end of the class. Welcome Chinedu Eris from Enugu. Welcome Akure. Okay, you didn't write. Also, Akure. Okay, Ni from Akure. Oh, sorry, I actually thought that was a name. All right. Welcome. I can see you guys. Divine Gifts, Aiki, I can see you. Sarah, I can see you. Welcome to class. My name is Mrs. Joy, and I will be handling tonight's class. So, don't think it's only men that are into the tech space, right? Welcome. If you have your friends, your neighbors, quickly send them the link. Also ask them to join the WhatsApp group, because they would need to be in the group for other things, right? So remind them that it's time for class. If you are in our WhatsApp group already, hurry to the WhatsApp group. Let them know that we are about to start. Tonight's session is not theory alone. We are going in practically, right? We're going to do it practically tonight. So you don't want to miss it at all. You don't want to miss it at all. All right, so we'll start right now. Okay, so we'll start right now. Any other person joining us, please remember to remind your friends to join us. We are beginning immediately without waste of time, because we have a lot to achieve tonight. We have so much to achieve tonight. All right. As I said, welcome to AI powered content creation, and we are looking at how to leverage AI to start earning in dollars. And this training is brought to you by Soluma Institute of Tech and Management. And tonight it will be facilitated by Mrs. Joy CN. That's myself. Okay, so let's get to meet the facilitator. Mrs. Joy is an AI-powered productivity consultant and coach, a forex and crypto trading expert and coach, multi-talented and skilled professional entrepreneur with skills ranging from graphic design, UI UX, video editing, and lots more. She is a graduate of Polymer and Textile Engineering from one of the best universities of technology in Nigeria, Federal University of Technology, Owerri. That's FUTO, for those that call it in the short form. She trains and coaches people on generative AI, graphics design, video editing, mini importation business, forex and crypto trading, and others, with over 7 years experience in these industries. Mrs. Joy is a God lover and happily married to the best husband one can ever have. She also cherishes family time. So this is about me, Mrs. Joy, your facilitator for tonight. Okay, so as I said earlier, I've introduced myself. Go to the comment section, tell us who you are and where you are joining us from. Very important. We would like to know you. And if your friends haven't joined, please hurry up, tell them to join. The class has begun. So this is the structure for tonight's class: AI powered content creation. We're going to move from the introduction to the high paying AI niches, how to monetize faceless content, practical session, and then we'll be discussing some other things, right? Okay, so let's move straight to it. The introduction. What is AI and what is content creation? A lot of people hear AI, they hear content creation, and they're like, okay, what are these? Some don't even know what they are at all, while some know some of the things, but they don't really understand it and how it works, right? So I'll start with AI because that is what we're here for, and then we are looking at AI in content creation. AI is, simply put, artificial intelligence. And then, so what is artificial intelligence? Because AI is a short form of artificial intelligence. It is just a computer technology that can think, learn, and do tasks like humans. It thinks, it learns, and it does what we do, just like humans do it, just like we do it. Okay? So, but it uses data to do all of these things. With the data put into it, it processes it, thinks through it, that's the processing, and then it's able to learn what is in the data and then maximize the information to achieve what we want it to achieve. So some other people will say, okay, I think I now understand what AI is. Then what is content creation? Content creation means making digital products like videos, pictures, articles, and so on for social media, or to share it to entertain people. It all depends, but it has to do with digital products or digital information. So content creation is not just let's say a particular thing. It's made up of everything that you serve people digitally and they consume it, right? Consuming is not like eating it like food. It's more like going through it like the blogs. You read through blog posts, you hear gist lovers gist for the day, let me put it that way. You watch YouTube videos, you whatever it is, even your picture that you just took today, that is Sunday, and you posted it, is a content, and people are consuming it. They are watching, they are liking, and all of that. Okay, so that is what AI is, and also what content creation is. Okay, so next we are going to look at what AI can do for us, right? We are looking at what AI can do for us. AI can help us write articles. AI can help us design. AI can help us create videos. AI can help us with almost all tasks that, in short, majority of the tasks we do. And these are not limited to content creation, right? AI helps in analyzing data, it helps in web design, it helps in a lot of these other things, even in marketing, right? Your sales, copy, and everything. But tonight we are looking at AI for content creation. We are looking at AI specifically for content creation. Okay, so these are the things it does for us, and the great part of it is because we can do it, yes, but AI does it many times faster than a human can. It does it many times faster than a human can. So how you could say, okay, great, I just want to know, how is AI used generally? You are inquisitive, you want to understand, is AI a particular USB you plug to your system and everything starts happening, right? No, it's not. Okay, so AI works with what we call prompts. It works with what we call prompts. So now AI is used for all these things we've mentioned by giving it tasks or questions or instructions. These are called prompts. It depends on what you want. Students that have assignments they need to learn something about before they can do their assignments will ask AI questions about what they need to learn before they will now be able to get through with the assignments. People that want to run ads and need an ad copy will not ask questions, right? They will not ask questions. They are going to go straight to give AI instructions based on what they want the AI to write about, specifically based on what they want the AI to write about. For the ads to, be optimized, they would have to give it specific instructions. It will not be like the person that wants to study. It's also not the same with someone that wants to create a website. Okay, so AI is used generally by prompting. Okay, so as I said earlier, a prompt is the message or instruction or question, whatever it is, you give AI to tell it what to do. Okay, is the instruction you give AI to tell it what to do. So I just put this for us, easy way to prompt. Okay, I'm just going to give us an easy way to prompt, okay, so that we can get by this quickly. Okay, so you're going to still see me use this easy way to prompt when we go in practically. All right, so the easy way to prompt is telling AI, that's one of the easy ways to prompt, let me put it that way, is to tell AI to assume the position of what you want, right? You can say, as a sales professional, help me do this. I don't know if you are following. Please, if you are following, go to the comment section, type following. I need to see us. Type following. Type following. If you're following what I'm talking about right now, go to the comment section and type following. The easy way to prompt is, as I said, by telling AI to assume the position and then do what you want it to do. So you can say, for example, assume the position, or as a professional in this field, as a professional writer, as a professional web designer, what is this, or do this, or do that. I already told us it could be messages, it could be questions, it could be instructions, whatever it is. It should be easy, or it is very easy for AI to do what you want it to do perfectly. That's why I say it's the easiest way to prompt. Okay, to do what you want it to do perfectly by telling it to take the position. Okay, if you're talking about SEO optimization, tell it to take that position. Tell it to take that position, and by so doing you get professionally written response. If you give it an instruction, you get the response, or you get what you want it to do done already. Okay, so at this point, I would love to mention something. We don't have just one AI that does everything, right? Yeah, there are AI tools that are 10 in 1. I can say it does a lot of things together in one place. Okay, I understand, but one AI tool doesn't master everything alone. There are different AI tools for different things. So I wouldn't want to make you believe that there is one thing called AI, and then in that one thing called AI, it does everything. No, it's not like that. All right. So we have looked at the easy way to prompt. Now, I am going to tell us some AI content creation tools and their uses. Some AI content creation tools and their uses. If you are following, write in the comment section following. If you are following, write in the comment section following. We are here to go practical, and it's going to be so much for us to pick up tonight. Okay? Alright, so the first one I'm going to be talking about, I'm not going to be listing a lot of tools where we actually don't have that time. AI has over thousands of tools, right? But I'm going to be mentioning ones that are for us, right? The ones that we would want to know about as content creators. There are lots of them. Even as content creators, we have a lot of tools. So, but tonight we're going to be talking about some of them, and I'll be starting from image generation, right? Okay, so for image generation, we have we have a lot of AI tools, not a few of them, but I'm going to be talking about 3 of them. I'm going to be talking about 3 of them. Okay. We all know that WhatsApp has AI in it. WhatsApp and Facebook, they are all Meta. Meta has its own AI, even though in a bigger picture, yes, but when it comes to our devices, our WhatsApp, our Facebook, we know that there is Meta. So Meta can help you do a lot of things. It can answer your questions. It can also generate images for you. Okay, so the first one I said is we are looking at Meta, that is both for WhatsApp and Facebook. So I put it together as Meta AI. So Meta AI is an AI that helps you with that you give instructions, you give questions to answer, you give it different things, and also it also generates images for you. There is another one I'm going to group. It's Bing and Copilot, because they are both Microsoft. Okay, Bing and Copilot put together, they are both Microsoft. All right, they are both Microsoft software. Okay, so Bing and Copilot does the same as Meta AI. It gives you images too, but it also answers your questions, gives you information. In short, Bing updates you with latest news. For those of us that love to be informed about news happening all over the world, the Chinese guys, the Koreans, and everything that happens at different places, right? Bing updates you. Bing keeps you updated as regards news. It's not the only thing it does. You can even play game there and do other things with Bing app and all of that. But I'm trying to bring to us that Bing is an AI tool that can be used for both script writing and also image generation. So the third one, when it comes to image generation, we are going to be looking at is called Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai. Okay. Leonardo.ai is for image creation. Leonardo.ai is for image creation. You know, when people teach you free classes, you may not get as much value as you will get in this class, because now I've mentioned Meta AI, I've mentioned Bing, but now Leonardo.ai is a senior brother. Those other ones, yes, they can give you images, but you cannot do a lot with it. You cannot set your aspect ratio, you cannot do a lot. In short, when you enter Leonardo.ai, you can just lose your way. So Leonardo.ai is actually a tool that is really, really, really important when it comes to image generation. Alright, so for the next two, I'm going to be talking about script writing, and a lot of us know about ChatGPT, and that is most likely what we know. We really don't know more than ChatGPT. For a lot of people I've met. So we have ChatGPT, we have Claude.ai, CLAUDE.ai, okay, and others, so that we can move on. So those ones helps us with script writing. It helps us with script writing. By script writing, I mean it can write scripts for you, for video, whatever it is you want to do for your blog posts. It could write blog posts for you. If you are a ghostwriter or whatever it is you are, right? It can help you write it. Okay? It can help you write it. So the next we have Homva AI. we have Humva AI. Humva AI helps you with creating AI avatars. So we don't want to sleep here. AI avatars are like those ones that you saw us post on the group, right? The ones you saw in the group chat. Okay, so an AI that is talking to you, right, and is speaking to you, okay, and you can see the mouth move. Okay, so that's what AI can do for you. All right, so that we don't remain here, we are going to move to the next, which is high paying AI niches. High paying AI niches. Okay, we need to run. I think I've spent so much time. We need to run so that we would have enough time to really practicalize. Okay, so by niches we mean areas that's we're looking at high paying AI niches for YouTube in particular, right? Or both YouTube and TikTok. Let's classify them together. Okay, so but we're looking at YouTube in particular for this one, right? So the highest paid niche, a niche is an area that you choose to specialize in or create video content in, right? So the highest is making money online. I mean, you're not supposed to be surprised, because if you are to make money online, you have to get paid, right? So it's the highest paid, or the highest paying niche. So they are paid $13.52 and above per 1,000 views. It's called 1,000 miles, but it's 1,000 views, right? That's what we understand it as. The algorithm understands it as miles. Okay, so per 1,000 views, people are paid $13.52, and a lot of videos go over 1,000 views. A lot of people go over 2,000, 3,000 views, right? So we have other niches below. We have this one, making money online. We have personal finance and investments, $12 and above. Any amount you see here, just know that it's the average and above, right? Okay, so because a lot of people make more than this. Educational content, $9.89 and above. Personal finance and investment, as I mentioned earlier, is just talking about money, investments, platforms, stock, and all of that. People that are in that niche. Okay, so we've talked about education. You already know what it is. The next are those that talk about tech, cars, and gadgets. The average is $4.32 and above, right? $4.32. Then they can get more, right? Then lifestyle, those of us that enjoy posting our Sunday picture, like today is Sunday, and those that like me and mine, and those that love posting different stuff, right? So lifestyle is $3.47 and above per 1,000 views. Remember, not per person, per 1,000 views. Fashion and try on hauls, that's those that try on stuff. They try bracelet, they try fashion wears, everything and all of that, right? $3.13 and above. That is what they get, or what they are paid per 1,000 views. Per 1,000 views. Those that are into beauty and makeup, they are paid $3 per 1,000 views. $3 and above per 1,000 views. You see people do makeup, right? Yeah, makeup tutorials and all of that. Okay, so those that are into motivation and spirituality, it's about $2.5 and above per 1,000 views. So motivation and spirituality, it's not limited to a particular religion or something like that. So motivation can be, we all know what it is, getting your spirit up in the morning for you to be able to do other things. Yeah, $2.5 and above. And these are the AI high paying AI niches. Okay, these are for the high paying AI niches. All right, so we're going to go to how to monetize faceless content. How to monetize faceless content. Okay, you'll be saying, is it not by posting on my social media handle and all of that? I'm going to give us insights on that. So the first is by creating content for social media. Yes, you are right. I mean, clap for yourself if you say that in your mind. You're right. Creating content for your social media handles, right? That is one way to make money online. I mean, that is one way. Anybody, right? Anybody, whether you whether you, in short, whatever it is that is your limitation. So far as you're listening to this, that means you have the phone that can do it and you have data. So I mean, what is limiting you? Okay. All right, so creating content for social media, and tonight we are talking about AI powered content creation, which means for those that say, oh, I'm shy, I don't have money to buy ring lights, I cannot use mic, whatever it is that you think that the issue is, whatever it's you think is your limitation, please, there is no limitation. You are shy, you don't need to show your face. Okay, so whatever it is you think is your limitation is not your limitation, because we are showing you how AI can do these things for you. Writing posts, I don't know how to speak good English, excuse you, AI can do that for you. I can't be saying people while I'm here, right? All right, so I can't be saying people while I'm here, right? All right, so these are things you can do. Okay, first you're creating for yourself so that you'll be paid directly, because ads will be run on your videos and then, or on your content or your videos or whatever it is, right? And then people pay for those ads to be run. Okay, because they pay for those ads to be run, you're going to be paid a portion of it by that particular social media you're using. These promotional videos will be individuals paying you to do that for them. Brand images for businesses. If you notice, there was an image that was sent to the group. It has a brand name, Mind to Life. That is a business. It is a business. Okay, the business is into podcasts and the rest. So and also writing. Okay, so it is a business. So you can create brand images for businesses. You can create, different things for businesses. Okay, so we are talking about brand images now, and you charge for it. These are ways to monetize. You don't wait for social media to just pay you and then you're hiding. Okay, once you post and post and post, people will get to see you, and then they would come to know what you do, and then trust you to be able to pay you. Okay, and then they'll see the need for it. Okay, they'll see the need for it. The next is affiliate marketing. People will say, I've heard this all over the internet and all of that. I don't even know how it works. It is simple. It is very simple. Affiliate marketing is selling other people's products. That's just it. So, but you may not need to use your mouth to start announcing it to everybody you see. You can just make a video in that line. Okay, not exactly with maybe their products or with whatever service they render. You can make a video in that line. You can make a video how to take care of your cooking wares. Let's say you're in the food niche, right? Take care of your cooking wares, and then in the link in the comment section or in the description, you just add the link to a particular store that sells affordable kitchen wares. It may not be affordable, it could even be very expensive kitchen wares, because it's the expensive guys that will pay you well if people buy using your link, right? So you go to the website, collect the affiliate link there. You see affiliates in most of the websites. That's for people that want to promote our content. You just collect their affiliate link, put it there. Some people, after watching your video, will click on it to see what they have. They might be in need of a new kettle, you don't know. Okay, so yes, affiliate marketing is selling other people's products, especially using their links, right? So the next is ghostwriting or script writing. I mentioned this earlier when I was talking about ChatGPT, right? I mentioned it earlier. What is ghostwriting? In simple terms, it is a writing done without the writer being attached to the writing. Let me say it in a different way. When you write a content, is either a blog post you write for anything, for a particular company, a news or whatever it is, but your name is not attributed. It is the name of the business that is put there, or they put it on their blog like their own, but they've paid you to surrender your authority, right? Your right to that script, your right to that writing. You surrendered it to them, but they pay you well to be able to give it to them, okay? So that what you're doing for them is that you're just writing and giving them while they pay you for your services. So you can write as a ghostwriter. It's called ghostwriter because your name is not there. Nobody knows who wrote this. It is just attributed to the company. Okay, so these are things AI can help you do. Script writing can be for your videos. You can write scripts for your videos. You can write scripts for other people's videos. Okay, so that is script writing for you. Script writing for you. You're not limited. It's either you're writing for videos, you're writing for blog, you're writing blog posts, you're writing different. In short, writing in general, copyright, everything writing. Okay, AI can help you handle that. Sponsored content. Sponsored content. This is the next one. These are ways of making money. If you've forgotten where we are looking at ways of making money using how to monetize faceless content, right? Making money through faceless content. So this time around, you're not showing your face, you're not doing anything that has to do with you sitting down and having camera on in front of you, right? So the next is sponsored content. Someone can meet you and say, wow, I love the way you do these things, and you know how to write, your writing skill is top notch and all of that. Your videos are great, your images, I love it, they are stunning. I have a business, I have a fashion business and all of that. You guys saw the fashion images that that was posted in the group, right? That was posted in the group chat, right? Those fashion images are done using AI. They are not humans. Don't worry, they are not humans, okay? It's done using AI. So someone can say, I love them, I have a business and all of that. I would love you to do something like this for me. You give them your charge, your rates, your card rates. You give them your rates and run that for them. So when you do it, these can and if you have enough viewers, right, you can do it for them and post it on your page, on your channel, and then people come to see it, and then you let them know that this is a sponsored post. That means you are paid to post about these people. You've done image generation, everything, but this content that you just posted is for a particular brand. It's not just for you, okay? You are paid for this. So it's more like announcing other people using the contents you make, okay? Or announcing the products they have, announcing whatever it is they have, right? Using your contents. Are we following? Go to the comment section, write following. I want to see following. We are jumping straight into the practical session. Go to the comment section and write following. Please remember, if you cannot write in the comment section, that means just one thing: you have not subscribed, and we need you to subscribe so that we'll be able to handle your questions towards the end of the class. Okay, write following, write following, write following, write following, write following, write following. We are jumping straight to the practical session. Okay, we need you to write following. We need you to write following. Write following. Okay, all right. Okay, I can see following, I can see following, I can see following, and yet another following. As I said earlier, if your friend that is supposed to be here is not here, hurry back and tell your friend he or she is missing a lot, because we are going practical right now. We are going practical right now. Okay, I can see yours, I can see yours. All right. Okay, so practical. So for tonight's practical session, all right. Okay. So for tonight's practical session, we're going to be looking at different aspects. What we've already discussed about in theory, we are going to be practicalizing them. We are going to be practicalizing them. The things we just mentioned in theory, we are going to be handling them practically. Okay? So now, for our practicals, the first thing is we're going to look at ChatGPT. We already know ChatGPT. I've told us what ChatGPT is, and then I'm going to spell the other one. I mentioned Claude AI, and I'm going to write it now because I'm going to be using ChatGPT, or I'll use Claude. I'll use Claude to teach us. A lot of us know ChatGPT, so I'm going to use Claude AI. That's Claude AI .ai. Claude.ai. CLAUDE.ai. I said earlier CLAUDE.ai. A lot of us know ChatGPT. Okay, someone said I should increase my voice. all right. Please, I hope I'm audible enough. I hope we can hear me. Thank you for the feedback. I am glad you mentioned that I should increase my voice, right? Okay, so as I said, a lot of us know ChatGPT, but we don't know other AI tools that can be used. So I'm going to be introducing us to one of them, which is Claude AI. Claude AI. CLAUDE.ai. So it's going to load up. I'm going to sign in. So for those of us that do not have an account, my dear, you are to do what I'm doing. Continue with your email. Choose an email. I'm going to use this, and then I think that's the one I want to use. Or should I use another? Okay, I'll continue. Just click on continue and you're in. Okay, so do as I did it. Now while it's loading, I want to say that you can use your phone to do these things. You don't necessarily need to use a PC, but because I'm streaming, I'm using a PC. But you can use your phone to do these things. You're not limited in whatever way. Okay, so remember our easy to use prompts that we talked about earlier in this class. I'm going to use it practically for us right now. There is a lot to learn when it comes to prompting. A lot. Formula, in short, not necessarily formulas, but ways to put it together, right? A lot to learn about prompting, right? But I showed us the easiest way to get professionally written responses from these AI tools, and also if it's for image generation, to get what you want out of the script writer, which are these ones, and then to be able to do what you need to do. Okay, all right. So now we are going to practicalize it. All right, so I'm going to say, as a professional writer, write, because I want it to be a writer this time. Okay, I just want us to have something really simple. So as a professional writer, write 3 main benefits of eating or because I'm talking about health now, I'm going to change it, not as a writer now, I'm going to write as a professional health expert, okay, so that we get the best from it. Write 3 main benefits of eating eggs daily. Yes, it may not seem as much, but you see videos about making tea on YouTube, so everything is content. Remember, if your face can be content without any other thing, everything is content. So as a professional health expert, write 3 main benefits of eating eggs daily. Let's go with this. Now, the best part of it is it's fast. As humans, we'll start thinking, okay, what is eggs? Okay, eggs are protein. Okay, so what can it do for us? And all of that. But now, we've gotten a response without wasting time. And because I'm teaching you this, I'm going to show you how to work with it. There are 2 ways of copying. You can either come here, keep your cursor here, and take it down. Okay? Take it down, and then stop somewhere here. Right? And then click on copy. But that may not be the best. Just have your, if it's long, I advise you have your Microsoft Word open or your notebook, not your physical notes, I mean your notepad in your phone, right, or in your laptop open, so that you can easily copy and paste there. So what you do is you click on this. If you see, I hovered over it and it says copy. So you click on it and it copies. You go to your notepad and you paste it there. When you paste it there, you can easily edit it, taking what you want and leaving what you don't want, or removing what you don't want and leaving the ones you want, whatever you want to do with it, right? Okay, so for now we are going to leave it here because we're not doing so much with it. We don't need a lot from the script. Okay, it's not so much, right? We are just going to make use of what we need from it. So as I said earlier, the first one we are looking at is our script writing. I'm going to give it another prompt, but we are not going to be using this second prompt. We are just going to use the first one for tonight. Okay? As a professional story writer, write a bedtime story of 50 words for a kid of 5, or let me just say for a kid of 5, okay, of 5 years. Let me just complete it. Okay, all right, please, I hope my voice did not go down again. Okay, so we would send this and wait for the response. It will be so fast while you're busy thinking, oh, what kind of story should I tell? You know, kids of 5 years, they just need something short like this. Once upon a time, a tiny star couldn't stay awake. I'm so tired, it yawned. The moon smiled. Time for bed, little one. The star nestled into a soft cloud, closed its eyes, and dreamed of dancing with fireflies. Good night, little star. Good night. Okay, so I don't do bedtime stories, please, but yeah, this is it. Very fast, very easy. Okay, and it even gave it to you here. You can click here to open the document. You want to copy it, my dear, you can copy the contents, publish, download, whatever it is you want to do with it. Okay, that being said, my dear, you can click here to see it again. Okay, so I'm showing us how to use Claude for different things. I don't want us to do something that is so big and then we'll take our time, you know, trying to go through it, and I've read it out for you, you've seen it. Okay, so now for blog posts, the same thing. What you have to do is tell it what you need. If you're writing on health benefits, if you're writing on weight loss, if you're writing on anything, traveling, whatever it is, you want to know the names of countries, please write it. Remember, make sure that you use the easy way to prompt to do this. That way, with or without knowing so much about prompting, you'll still be able to get perfect responses from these AI tools. All right. Please, if you're following, remember to drop following. Drop following. If you can hear me, drop following. All right. Drop following. I would like to see us say that we are following. I would like to see us type in the comment section that we are following. And remember, you cannot type in the comment section if you've not subscribed to the YouTube. If you've not subscribed to this channel, you cannot be able to type your responses. Yes, Claude is free. Claude is free. Claude is free. Claude is free. Just like ChatGPT, it is free. I don't pay for AI tools though. People of God. Yeah, there are lots of AI tools to pay for, but I mean, I would give you what you can use anytime, any day. Okay? Claude is free. So please, Lowell Solomon, you said it is not clear. Please, what is not clear? Type in the comment section. I want to know what it is that is a challenge, so that I can help with the answer much later. So our questions should be put together and kept towards the end of this session, so we'll be able to answer it together. Okay? All right, Catherine, you're following. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, so I've showed us how to copy it, right? Click on this, it will open. Let me do it already. And then you can copy it, you can publish, you can download, whatever it is. Okay, so that's that for that. I don't need it, so I'm not copying it. In short, maybe I might even use it. I like the way the story went, but so far so good. Okay, the video is not clear. You mean tonight's class, or you mean the video in the group chat? Which of them? Okay, so that if it's tonight's class, it's how do I mention, how do I put it now? It should be your network, I believe. It should be your network, and you can hear what I'm saying because I'm saying everything that you're seeing on my screen. So basically, you can you can rotate it, and also you can tap on the, if you tap on the screen, you will see something like settings button. You tap on it, then you see quality. Click on quality and increase the quality you are watching with. You might be watching with the lowest quality. For Lawal Solomon, please, you may be watching with the lowest quality. Okay, so click on it and then make sure to click on that settings icon so that you'll be able to choose quality from there. Okay, all right, my wonderful people. All right, so let's get to what we have next. I may not be checking the chats, but I'll check it when it's time for questions. Okay, so when it's time for questions, you can ask me your questions and we'll go straight into it, one after the other. All right, so tonight is loaded. Okay, so for the next we've looked at this. I've told you that you can modify this for both blog posts, whatever it is you want to get a script for, whatever it is you want to write about. Okay, these ones, it can teach you, it can explain stuff to you. You can use these ones just like you use ChatGPT. Okay, so you're not limited to anything whatsoever. You're not limited to anything at all. Okay, so now we're going to do something. We're going to the next thing. We're going to do something practical. Okay, we're going to do something practical right now. Yes, we're in the practical section, but I want us to do something really simple. So I'm going to search Google, right? Let me just search sneakers. I just want to search sneakers. Okay, and then we see that these are looking good already, but I'm going to look for one that's not looking good, just in case if there's someone that did not optimize their image, the image is just there, it's not looking good and all of that. I could help the person. Okay, so now we are looking at product editing. Okay, we're looking at editing. Product editing. I forgot my voice. I think is not that. I don't think I should open it. Let me just take it from here. I will tell us something. Please, and please do not take any image you see on the internet and use for your own good. It's wrong. Okay? It's wrong. There are sites for getting these things, okay? And you don't have to be attacked by anyone, right? So there are sites for getting these things, okay? So I just got the sneakers. It looks okay. So now for product editing, I said I'm going to teach us this for free. I'm going to show us a simple way to handle this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show us is how to get our images, or it's not necessarily how to get your images. You already have your images. So let's say you are into selling of sneakers, selling of wares, and all of that. Okay, I'm with you. So when you have your images, whether you have your images already in your laptop, in your phone, or wherever you have it, you snapped your image, let's say in your store, in your house, or a friend sent it to you, or maybe, as we mentioned, you're making money online, right? People sent you their products. They sent you what it is that they sell, and my dear, you looked at it and it's not looking good. What you need to do is to edit the product image so that it will look perfect, and when people see it, they can easily, remember the word easily, like it and purchase it. Now we are going to go into a website where we can remove the background of the image as the first thing we should do. Let's say you want to put it in a very good, befitting, beautiful looking, whatever it is you want to call it, background, right? So first of all, you're going to remove the background that you have. Okay? Let's say we want it to look good, but the first thing you do is to remove the background. So we're going to go straight to remove.bg. Remember, remove. You know how to remove something. The word remove.bg. This is it. Remove.bg. Remove.bg. Let's wait for it to load. Please, if you can hear me and you've not written your name, write your name and where you are joining us from. We want to get to know you, and I am your facilitator, Mrs. Joy. Let's wait for this to load completely. We are supposed to see this guy clearly, right? So let's give it a minute or two, and it's still, let's wait for it a little more. Okay, I think it has completed. So what we are going to do is we are going to upload our image, or we are going to drag and drop it. So if you're using a phone, you're just going to click on upload, and then it's going to bring you to your documents or your gallery where you can just drag it and drop it. Okay, so what we are going to do is come here, drag it and drop it. Just drag it and drop it. Okay, so now it has let me close this. Okay, yeah, as you can see, we don't have the background again. People of God, we don't have it again, but we have this, and that is where erase and restore comes in. Okay, I'm showing you a tool that can help you. Image and restore comes in. So I want to erase, but I think my brush size is too big, so I'm going to reduce it. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to remove it in bits. I don't want to drag it, I'll drag it if need be, but as I'm clicking on it, it knows where to stop, right? So it has removed it. Please, hope we saw what I did. Hope we saw what I did. I've been able to get this to my taste. We want it this way. We want to be seeing just this guy. Then you click on download. Funny enough, you can get the maximum quality, but you have to pay. But we have our free. So we click on free and we download it. We click on the free one and we download it. I hope we are following. I hope we are following. This is what people pay for, because I mean, other people will give you their products, tell you to, put it in a very good design background, and then send it back to them so that they can use it for their ads, they can use it to sell on their websites, they can use it to sell on their WhatsApp status, their social media handles, and the rest. This is what you do. I'm taking you through the process one after the other, step by step. Okay, please, if you don't have your paper and pen, you're doing yourself a disservice. You're not helping yourself at all. All right, so I think we've downloaded it, but just in case, I'm downloading it again. Yes, okay, we have it already. So the background has been removed. The next thing is this my darling image is not looking sharp. I want to upscale it. I want to upscale this my image. By upscaling, I mean I want it to look better, I want it to look brighter, I want it to look its best. There are different photo editing tools for your phone, but I'm just going to go to the website, because why I'm using websites and I'm not mentioning apps per se is because a lot of us have this memory limitation, right? Our memory card is full, our phone memory is full, everything is full, we can't do anything about it. Okay, and we don't want such. We don't want such, right? So knowing that that can be a hindrance, we've decided to go with this. That's a website. Okay, so there are different websites for this, but we're going to be using one for tonight. The one we are going to use is IMG Upscaler. IMG Upscaler. Okay, IMG Upscaler. That's image upscaler. IMG Upscaler. IMG Upscaler. So all we have to do is choose our image, but I mean I rather drag and drop. It's right here with me. Okay, so it has ads and you just have to close the ads, click here, drag and drop it. So for IMG Upscaler, you'll be saying, where is the image? It's supposed to show loading and all of that, just like Remove BG did. No, my dear, it has loaded here, right here, right here, right here. You can see my cursor down here. Yes, that is where it is. So you're going to scroll down to this point. Okay, so now you can upscale 200%, but I'd rather upscale 400%. Okay, I'm supposed to log in. Let me click. Whenever you open a website or you have what's it called, please, my dear, it's still processing, so don't think it's not doing anything, it's processing. Okay, so whenever you have a website you need access to, whenever you have a website you need to do whatever it is you need to do, okay, the best thing to do is to have an account with them. Most times you have access to more of the two by just having an account with them. Even if you can start for free without having an account, it's best to have an account so you have more access. Okay, all right, as I said, we have it ready. So it says finished, it says finished, so we can just download right here. Okay, we've downloaded it, so let's see. So remember, we've looked at, okay, can you see this? It's not looking as blurry as, you know, terrible. Okay, don't mind me. It's not looking as terrible as it was. It's not looking as terrible as it was. Please let me check the YouTube channel. Let me check and be sure we are following. Please write following if you're following. Please write following if you're following. The next thing we are going to do is to change its background, okay? Or the person can give you a background, and if you're an editor, you can just put it and drop this image in the background. It can be a white background, it can be a colored background, it can be any background, okay? Please, are we following? Are we following? Are we following? So you can go through the website. If you're the type that, you know, loves exploring and all of that, you can just, you know, check what they can do and all of that. They even have pricing, right? But as you can see, I didn't even log in and I was able to handle this. But you have to be a pro user to batch produce. For those that are giving like 20 images to work on, you have to pay for this service so that you can produce in batches. Hope I'm still audible. I want to check us and be sure that we are following, right? Okay, my people. Right. Oh, their network is breaking. Yes, for those that say that the screen is not clear, I mentioned what we should do. Click on your screen as you're viewing it, where you're seeing, you know, the screen itself. You see something like settings above, right? Click on settings. You're going to see what we call quality. Click on quality and you see that maybe it's in the lowest quality. Take one of the ones above. You can take 360, 420, 720, before 80, 720, thereabouts. Okay, that's way. Thank you there. I'm audible. Oh my god, this is my voice, thank god. all right, that's amazing. I'm glad you can hear me. I'm glad you are following. Please remember, Chibuzo, go and check what quality you're watching this video with, so that you'll be able to flow easily. Okay, so you'll be able to flow easily with us. All right, remember, if you've not subscribed, you'll not be able to send a message in the comment section, right? Don't worry, we are going to take questions later. For those of us that have questions, we're going to take questions later. That will be by the end of the practical sessions or by the end of the class entirely. All right, so I think I'm done checking. So far so good. We are just going to continue with tonight's class. All right, so for those of us that are that receive product images from people, yes, so it's very good, as I said earlier, it's very good for them to work on it already. I'm not saying they shouldn't give you something that is bright. Maybe they should go into a dark room and then snap it and expect you to miraculously transform it. No, and no. It's not done. They should snap it with bright light, yes, but you can still make it look better. Alright, so that being said, I want us to go to the next stage, because we still have other things to touch. We've looked at writing scripts, we are looking at photo editing, we're still going to look at other things. Let me not mention them. Okay, so the next is giving it a unique background. We now see that our image is looking beautiful. People of God, if you know how to use Canva, you can just carry it and dump it somewhere in Canva with one of the Canva elements, right? And then it will be looking beautiful. But let's just say you are not, you don't know what you're doing in Canva. So there is this website I'm going to show us now. It's called Photo Room. Okay, so Photo Room is a website that helps you change the backgrounds of your images, right? You can see different unique backgrounds and all of that. So I'm going to show us this. It is free, but it will give you watermark, but this watermark can still be removed. Okay, so don't think you're limited. When you work with free tools, you learn how to use them for your own benefit. Okay, so this time around, I still think I should, the other one I didn't even try to create an account. Let's try this without creating an account and see whether it will go through. If they prompt us to create an account, we create an account. But please remember, you should have accounts with these websites so that you can easily, for Claude AI, ChatGPT and all of that, you need it. You need to register on these websites so that you'll be able to see what you've discussed with this AI previously, just in case you need it. Okay. I'm actually using Chrome. I don't know why it's accept or reject or, well, I think I'm going to reject. Okay, all right, give me a minute. Okay, so sorry, I needed to check something. Okay. All right. Okay, so some of us have this, there is this app in our phones. I think that's the one I'm going to use so that we'll go fast. There are lots of tools, but I think I'm going to go with this one. Pixart, a lot of us know it. A lot of us know Canva too. So let me go with that one. It's actually very easy to work with, right? So I don't know if I should I should log in, or I have an account with them, but you can easily, add background to an image. So you can see AI background, you can see all of this, but you can't access them. Sorry, my dear, you can't access them if you don't you can't access these ones per se if you don't have an account with them. Okay, so most of the times some of these tools give you access. Let me check. Okay, some of these tools give you access to these things when you have an account with them. Okay, and some of these tools, some of these things, right, you can okay, my downloads, I guess. Let's work with this. Open. Yeah, we've already removed the background, but let's see. I need it to load. Okay. So some of them you have to not just have an account with them, you have to subscribe to use some of their pro features, right? I need this to load. I don't know why these ones are delaying today. The other one is, I don't know what it's saying. So this one, I don't know why it's also delaying. But we don't have time to do this. Just know that you can still change the background using Canva. Let me not stress us. This one is delaying tonight. I don't even know why. Okay, so you can change the background, you can remove the background, you can do anything with it. I said anything, right? You can do, in short, you can change the position, turn it upside down, right, using Canva. Canva is now called an AI tool because it has a lot of AI features, right? It has a lot of AI features, right? Don't my PixArt is putting their logo on it. So, but you can change the background to anything. You can change it to anything. You can change it to anything. But that being said, I don't want, these ones are really delaying me tonight. Okay, so, but there are other AI tools for this, right? There are other ones for this. But we're going to go to the main thing I want us to see tonight, right? The main thing I want us to see tonight. So we're going to be going to the website called Humva AI. Humva, HUMVA.ai. Humva AI. And tonight we're looking at how to create AI avatar. That is why we are going to Humva AI, for creating AI avatars. Not just an avatar, talking avatar. Talking avatar. So yes, this is Humva AI, and in Humva AI, you can, as you can see, create an avatar. You can also use the avatars that are here. There are some that are free. There are some that, my dear, you have to pay. Okay, so you will see those ones that you have. Okay, I don't know why it ain't loading. Load, bro. Alright, so it's loading, my dear. I have a lot of, please forgive the lists of emails you're saying. I do different things too, so I don't like having one email for everything, kind of. Alright, so yeah, here we are. So when you use a new email to work with Humva, you would observe that you'll be given 36 free plan credits. Okay, for if you've not registered, right, you have the free plan, you're going to be given 36. So let's say we want to tell that bedtime story. Remember our bedtime story, right? So we are going to tell the bedtime story, and we want this lady to tell this bedtime story. I just don't want to go look for someone looking great or something like that. Just let's go straight to it, because we don't have much time. We don't have much time. We want us to be able to go back to bed on time and prepare for work tomorrow, school tomorrow, whatever it is we have for tomorrow, right? So for our AI avatar creation, we have, this website has avatars already, right? You already saw the list, but we didn't bother going down, scrolling to see people in suits, people wearing sportswear or whatever it is, those that are ready to go jogging, and maybe marketers and the rest, right? We just decided to go with the one we saw. She's wearing a head warmer, and I feel maybe for the bedtime story, she could suit someone that would tell this story. So you can easily copy it, but I just want to take this. I don't want to copy this also. So I just want to take what is written. That's the story itself, not the story title, right? That's why I just copied that. And because it's not so much, I didn't bother putting it in a file or say writing it or copying and pasting in a notepad. So please, when you get here, you have a lot of things to check. The first thing you want to do is, okay, not a lot of things to check, different things to do. First of all, remember that here, down here, it says 197 over 1000. That means it's 1000 characters. I did not say words. 1000 characters that it works with. 1000 characters. So 1000 character is the limitation, the limit you have, right? If you paste a script, you would have the opportunity to paste up to 1000 characters. That's all you can paste per time. Okay, per time. So the next thing is you check here, right? Do you want the screen to be your phone size like TikTok video? Then you know is 9 by 16. This is what you choose, the first one, not the second one. 9 by 16. So it will look like TikTok videos. But if you want it to be like YouTube videos, not YouTube shorts, YouTube videos, then you choose this one that is already chosen for you. This 16 by 9, which is this one that you're seeing here, right? But if you want it to be like TikTok, the one you can see in your phone and all of that, so you choose 9 by 16. Okay, as you can see, this is it. All right, 9 by 16. I'm using this because I know I'm using PC, but I want us to see it and it will look okay in our eyes. So you can choose either of these styles, right? You can choose either of these scenes. You can even check maybe outdoors and the rest. Okay, so but remember, we're telling bedtime story and you don't want to be outside in the afternoon telling bedtime story, right? Okay, so you can choose this one. It's looking dark as if it's at night, but don't worry, I like this one. Okay, so now let's go straight to giving it a prompt. So here what you have to do is paste what ChatGPT gave you or what Claude.ai gave you. That's our bedtime story. So I'm just going to click paste, right? This is it. And also Hundred AI allows you to put audio if you want to. If you're the one that's talked about it or whatever, you can use this side. But we're working with scripts because that's what we have tonight. We don't have much time. We just need to complete this, and then so that you guys can, it's already 10:23, but I hope we are getting value. Please, if you are getting value, write in the comment section value. Write value, write value, write value, write value. I didn't know I was going to keep us for more than an hour. Okay, I didn't, maybe I knew because there's a lot to talk about, but I wasn't thinking it would be the best thing to do. So please write value if you're following, and we have our script already. So what we have to do next is just to click export. All right, click export. All right, I've clicked export. Task successfully created. Task successfully created. So it has been exported. You see it here in your project. You have one, and it uses 5 credits. If you see here, it's remaining 31. Okay, it uses 5 for one video generation. So now we have our avatar is loading, it's trying to generate it, right? I can click view all so that it will take me there so I can see my project while it's being generated. So the generating the estimated time for the generation is 3 minutes. The estimated time for the generation is 3 minutes. All right, so while it's generating, I just want to show us. Yeah, I mentioned earlier that there are, oh my god, I mentioned that there are people wearing suits. Okay, and we've already made our choice. We could see other people. She's in a restaurant, I believe, because of the setting behind her. She's in her office, I guess, but this looks like a cartoon. Then these are medical personnel for health and fitness videos. As I said, you can get different. See our girl, right? So my dear, you're a newscaster, you have someone for you. Okay, so a lot. I don't want you to think that you're limited, okay? You are not limited. May I repeat myself? You are not limited in any way. You are not limited in any way. Please, hope you're writing down your questions, right? Hope you're writing down your questions, because hope you're writing down your questions, because we're going to look at them too. We're going to look at the questions, okay? Oh yeah, I can see value. You know, I didn't check the comment section then. Value. Victoria, I would love to sleep here too, but you know, we have a lot of people. We have parents here, we have mothers. We don't want them to leave their children without, you know, taking them to sleep. We have other people here that we really can't take so much of your time tonight. Please, obviously everybody should be considerate also, so that's why I'm rushing. As you can see, I'm speaking so fast, and I'm trying to get us to learn as much as we can. So remember, as I said earlier, you see age here, right? You see age. You can choose the age. You know, is it young, is it adult, is it senior? Seniors, they mean very old people, those in their 80s, 90s, 70s, and the rest. You know, adults are big guys. Young adults, the younger ones, you understand, but they're adults already. They've already crossed 18, right? So you can choose your gender. It will now select the type of gender you want. If it's only male that you want to see different male. You don't want to be going through male and female and all of that. You just want to see the males, so you can choose the one you want. My dear, please choose that. So if you have a topic in mind, let's say it's health, so you can go and take health and fitness. Remember, there's this arrow here, this scrolling bar here, so you can easily scroll. Even for news, you have education and the rest. You have cartoon, okay? So please, you are not limited in any way. You, my friend, are not limited in any way. So our video is ready. So you'll be saying, why is it not wide? Why did it not reach here? Remember, I said if you want it to be for TikTok, it will be like this. If you want it to be for like YouTube video or normal videos, it will be up to this point. So I decided to choose for TikTok so that we will see how it will look. Okay, all right, so I'm going to play this, and I'm also going to send it to us in the group so that we see what we've done. All right, and we feel ourselves and say, great, I learned something tonight. I learned a lot of things. Okay, now this is not funny. It's not screaming. Okay, so I'm going to send it to the group chat, right, so that we would hear it. And
once upon a time, a tiny star couldn't stay awake. I was so tired, it yawned. Then smiled. Time for bed, little one. The star nestled into a soft cloud, closed its eyes, and dreamed of dancing with fireflies. Good night, little star. Good night.
Alright, so our amazing AI avatar has told us a bedtime story. Funny enough, we are at night, so I did not say you should sleep, please. Thank you. We are still here in class. Okay, so we have it. It has spoken to us, and we have our AI avatar ready. We have our AI avatar ready. Please, if you are excited for tonight's class, if you enjoyed this particular part, we still have some things for you, right? But if you learn some, if you're learning something, if you learned something, if you're still learning something, because we're still in the process, please write excited. I mean, I'm excited. I don't know if you are. So write excited in the comment section. Write excited in the comment section, because I'll be checking the comment section. I want to see how many of us are excited. I want to see how many of us are excited. Please, I mentioned some tools. I'm going to quickly show us something for image generation, and that will be all for tonight. Please, I'm going to rush this part. I'm going to rush it. In short, everything I'm going to do, I'm going to be rushing it right now because we don't have so much time. So I said you're going to learn from the best tonight. Okay, you're going to learn from the best tonight. We don't want any limitation. This one, just open fast. Don't delay my ride. Alright. Okay, so Leonardo.ai, LEONARDO.ai. Some people know Leonard. Yes, those brethren, Leonardo da Vinci and all of that. That's the name, Leonardo. LEONARDO.ai. Okay, so when you click get started, it will take you to another page, right? I usually close this one. It's not helping my life. So it will load, and then what you have to do is to log in, right? Log into your own account. You should have an account, right? Okay, so I'm already logged in because I think I opened this place today. I'm not sure. So you click on image creation. You still see it if you're using a phone. You click on image creation. I said something. You will be confused when you're using this tool. I'm showing you a very big tool, right? You have a lot of things. I'm going back so that you see some things. You have a lot of things that it can do for you. A lot of things that it can do for you. Alright, so you see the list, you can go down like a lot of things. We're not going to go through all these things. I'm just going to show you straight to the point how to generate images. There are other things here you can explore if you want to, but let me show you why we are here. Okay, alright, so here we are. Now I'm going to show you one or two things, and then let me check. Okay, great. Oh, I've got people that are excited. Okay, somebody said if you want it to be for YouTube, Facebook. For Facebook, you know, Reels is just like YouTube Shorts, just like TikTok. It's the same thing. Facebook posts can accommodate anyone you put, so it's okay. You can use anyone, okay? But it's also okay to use just the phone type, right? Adeleke, I'm responding to you. Yeah, okay. Value. I'm excited. I'm even excited. I don't know why I'm so excited. I'm excited more than you guys. You may not understand. This is what I love doing. This is what I consult for people. I help. In short, I didn't want to go so far, because if I start talking about myself, we will all leave me and go and sleep. But we are here to learn, right? So let's learn. Okay. Alright, so here we have the amazing tool. The first thing I want to show us is that you can change your model. You can change your model. That's, by model I mean the model that's what type of what's it called, what type of tool in this particular website that you want to use for your generation. What type of image you want to create will be determined by the type of image you create, will be determined by the model you choose. So if you want to see images like this illustrative, right, you see something like this. Yeah, if you want different types, right, even anime, see anime here, this guy, right? So it's your choice. But for realistic images, you can use Flux Dev or Phoenix. For Phoenix, right, I would mention something. For Phoenix, if you want to manage the number of tokens you use in a day, because you'll be giving 150 tokens before you click that image generation. You see there under your name 150 tokens for the day. If you want to manage it and then you think you can get something good with it, you can use phonics. It will be taking just 16. But if you use flux will give you better image, but it will take 25. So, but for tonight, believe you me, we are using flux. Okay. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the ones we've done before. So remember, as I taught us earlier, this one is for YouTube, this one is for normal videos and all of that. When you click on more, you have options here. You can come here and then choose mobile. Mobile is 916. Facebook is here, Instagram is here, TikTok is here, Twitter is here, and the brethren, right? Okay, all right. So, but I'm going to do, I mean, we've used what's it called, we've used the one for phone, mobile, right? So we are going to go straight and use the one for what's it called, we're going to use the one for normal videos. Okay, so but we're talking of images right now, right? So let's work with that. Okay, so let's say I want to generate an image of a model wearing okay, no, should I use a model? If we had so much time, I would have asked you guys what you wanted me to generate as an image, but let me generate a newscaster. Then let me give it a prompt. Okay, because I taught us how to use our prompting tool, let's work with this prompting tool. Please forgive me, I know I said I was going to end, but there is a lot to talk about. I mean, I can't even keep myself to just going straight to it. I need to show you as much as I can. So I need, as a professional, so that we'll go through the process that I taught us, as a professional image prompt generator or prompt writer. Let me just use that because it's taking a position of a human, right? Write a prompt for an image of a newscaster. Remember we said newscaster, of a newscaster of a female. Okay, we did female before, right? A male this time around. Sorry, I'm not biased. Alright, a male newscaster, looking very professional, do I even know what I'm typing? Professional, yeah. Okay, what else? And straight to the camera. He's looking straight to the camera. I need something good. An image of an American, let me put it that way, or it can even be a Nigerian, anyone, but let me just use this, and then it will give me the scripts that I need, and then with the scripts I would go straight and generate the image. Okay, all right, so from here I'm just going to copy this, because if I click this copy now, because I'm using this specifically and I'm not copying it to somewhere else to edit, if I click this, it is going to copy this one too. So but I don't want that. I just want to take just the prompt, and mind you, I'm not taking the asterisks because it's not necessary. If you take it, AI knows to ignore it, right? But I'm not taking it, so I'll just come here and paste it. So straight away it's been pasted, and then I'm going to click generate, and then, my dear people, we will be a little bit patient to see it generated. Okay, I have a lot of people saying things here. He said finally the cocoa is said now. Ooh, Great. I'm glad you enjoyed, waiting till now. A lot of things were said. If you took notes of the things I said, you will notice that these are the things that will not be told. Some little things that really matter. Okay, you might be thinking is by seeing the image and then you are grateful. Not exactly. You have to get to know some of these little things. Okay, all right. Okay, people of God. All right, so our images have been created. Yes, we have this. So if we decided to give it an age, give the person an age, we would have said maybe 40, 35, 20, 65. I'm just joking, but any age bracket and other things that you can add to your prompt to make it amazing and maybe target the audience you want, right? So I'm going to go with this guy. This guy is looking good, right? People of God, I know this guy is looking good. Don't worry, you don't need to tell me. So this particular icon here is for downloading the image. You click on download image and your image is right here. Let me show us the image. I want us to see the image. We just yeah. You see, the guy is good. We have a very clean image. All right, we have a very clean image. All right, so we've generated an image. There are other things you can do with this website. Just relax. You can do a lot of things with this website. Okay, so but now we've been able to generate our image. So as you can see, it gives us 4 generations, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you choose the one you want. You make your choice. This tool is paid. It's a paid tool, but if you're on it with a free account, like I joined with a free account right now, you will see that you're giving 150 and it took 25 from 150. It's remaining 125. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, my people. All right, so here we are. Having learned these things, having seen how to get an image, or someone gives you an image, you can edit it, change the background with Canva or whatever it is you want to work with. I could have just opened Canva. I don't even know why I went to the other ones that were really delaying me instead of just going straight to the point. And also being able to generate your images, being able to generate your AI avatar, being able to get your script, even the script for the image generation. I want to make you an offer. Right? I want to make you an offer. Right? I want to make you an offer right now. Okay? I'm going to go straight to this. As I said, I want to make you an offer. We have an advanced premium course that we want you to join us and learn. An advanced premium course, and it is loaded. I said it is loaded, right? Just this free class should show you that we don't. It's a 2 week straight course. There is no break time. 2 weeks straight course, and as I said, it is loaded. The first thing we are going to be looking at is, in this course, we are going to be looking at the things you are going to learn. We're going to learn AI music generation. You generate music, copyright-free music. They will not say YouTube gave you a copyright strike, TikTok copyright strike, or they will say, oh, somebody claimed your audio, whatever it is. AI music generation, AI voiceover mastery. You'll be Baba in voiceover, and then you choose your own voiceover and remain there, right? How to design with Canva. That's creating professional graphics, right? Video editing and AI video creation with CapCut. You'll be able to edit and create videos with CapCut. I know why I separated editing and video creation. You will get to know better when you join the class, okay? Unlimited AI image generation. This one you're seeing 150, we will show you the way. Unlimited. You don't need, there is no limit to this. Okay. AI video generation, right? There are different ways of doing this. You can use text. This one, turning text prompts to professional videos. We have using text to professional videos. We have using image to professional videos. We also have video to video, right? So we are going to be looking at turning text to professional videos, image professional videos. Okay, so these are the ones, okay, that we've mentioned: music generation, voiceover mastery, design with Canva, video editing and video creation, unlimited AI image generation, AI video generation. We're also going to learn how to create and optimize YouTube channels for visibility. I did not just say create, I said create and then optimize. If you create and you just start posting, my dear brother, as well. So how to create and optimize your YouTube channel for visibility. We're also going to learn YouTube growth hacks, YouTube growth strategy, how to get to 500 to 1,000 subscribers in 60 days, 500 to 1,000 subscribers in 60 days. We are going to look at AI-driven SEO and hashtag strategy. AI-driven SEO and hashtag strategy that will help you boost your video ranking with these AI tools for views and watch hours, right? Automating YouTube video uploads and scheduling. Some people just come and they post on their YouTube channel. My dear, there is a way to, make it easy for you. Schedule it and then you post at the right time with the right hashtags, everything that you've learned. Okay, that's everything you learn through this process. You've already talked about YouTube growth strategy and the rest. Okay, so next we are going to look at advanced monetization. Okay, that's not just YouTube paying you through YouTube ads. No, not just that. Yes, that is one, but that's not what you're limited to. Okay, you're not just limited to ads being played on your video and then you're being paid from that. No, you have other ways of making money from your contents. Okay, and then we're going to look at creating and optimizing an international TikTok account. Creating and optimizing an international TikTok account. You'll be saying, all of this, hey, what are we going to do? Is this all? No, we have exclusive bonuses for you. And believe you me, these bonuses are going to come to you for free if you join the advanced class. These bonuses will be free if you join the advanced class. The first one is access to our VIP mentorship, worth 100,000. Our VIP mentorship, I have people that have already, oh Lord, I have people that are already giving testimonies. I wish I put it here. Getting over 96 subscribers within 2 weeks of getting just a little tweak on their YouTube channel. So for you to get the mentorship, you have access to us anytime, right? You ask your questions, you get answered, you get, everything is looked into, right? Personalized. You have access to drop your questions. Even people there, you have a community to work with. People there grow with you. You ask questions. Those that got the answer already from the tutor or from us there in the group, or they're already aware, or they are not, or they have the same challenge. Everybody has access to discuss and all of that. You have access to personalized YouTube channel audits, worth 35,000. Personalized YouTube channel audits. So we can for each person, we check your channel, everything, to make sure it is okay. The next is personalized AI monetization strategy. Personalized AI monetization strategy. Why is it personalized? Everybody can have their own monetization strategy, but because you all are not in the same niche, different people, different niches and all of that, you have access to these personalized monetization strategies. Okay, what's 65,000? You have access to AI videos, video ads for social media. So for people that want their program to be heard, their product to be seen through video content, no longer image and product editing and all of that. They want video ads. So you do the video, you send to them, they run ads with it. We will teach you that. Teaching it is worth 50,000 naira. So you have access. These are bonuses, so you're not paying for these. They are bonuses. You have access to exclusive AI prompt library. Prompt library. Some people will say I don't know how to prompt. Oh, you've taught us how to prompt. How do I crack my head and all of that? We have prompt libraries that will help you. All you have to do is put a little things. It's more like you have the prompt. You just remove some things, put the name of what you're working with or something like that, and you're good to go. Exclusive AI prompt library, $50, or you can say 77,000 naira. So you also have access to CapCut Premium. CapCut Premium. Some of us that did the task, you have collected your CapCut, did not say thank you. Okay, that's nice. You have access to CapCut Premium, worth $180 for a year, or you can see the price in naira, 200 something thousand, 281,700 for a year access. Okay, but this time around you're not paying. You have it for free. Okay, 60 days content creation and monetization challenge. So this challenge, I run this challenge for 75,000. This challenge is where we all come together for 60 days. We are creating content, we are posting, we are going through the process hand to hand. We are working together through the process while we grow our accounts on a personal basis, right? We grow our accounts ourselves for 60 days, and this is what 75,000. You learn from me, I learn from you, we all discuss. Not really learning from you because I know all you want to know per se, but I mean we all share ideas. Those that are there to join what is helping your channel, for specific niches, they get help. They are able to raise their channel from zero up to 500 subscribers and above. Okay, this is what 75,000. We have Facebook, and we'll learn Facebook and Instagram ads, which is what 20,000. It's more than that, but 20,000. Okay, Facebook and Instagram ads training. You learn how to run ads. It's good to know how to run ads because it's best to run YouTube ads from Facebook or Instagram if you want people to join through ads. I really don't do that for my YouTube channel, but if you want that to be, a way of you moving really fast in this challenge, in this content creation, so that you start earning really fast, yes, you can run Facebook or Instagram ads to your YouTube channel so that people can view your videos and all of that. Okay, all right, so you learn how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. So next you're going to learn consistent AI image generation. What do I mean by that? AI image generation that has the same face. Some Instagram people, you will see Instagram posts, you see the same person, but it's not a human, it's an AI avatar or an AI image, right? And this image, this person is doing modeling, lifestyle content and all of that, but it's not a real person, it's an AI image, right? So, but the same face is in a luxury car, the same face is in a swimming pool, the same face is jumping, skydiving, the same face hiking, the same face everything, promoting products and all of that, the same face. This is what you're going to learn. Consistent AI image generation for your brands, for your branding and ads. Okay, access to top rated AI tools for content generation. Top rated AI tools for content generation, you have access to it. Okay, so our offer, you'll be saying, all of this, is it not too much? Well, it's not. The offer we are giving you, the bonuses as we've listed earlier, is what 703,700. 703,700 For now, we are giving the advanced course for 50,000 and totaling 753,700. But listen carefully. However, for this cohort, for this group, for this set, we are admitting only 60 people to help us administer personalized mentorship to every participant. We are admitting only 60 people for this first cohort. But listen carefully. You're going to get the bonuses for free. So all the 700 and you're not going to pay it. It's supposed to be 50,000 naira for you to get the course and the bonuses together. But we are giving 50% discount for the first 60 people to pay only 25,000 naira. The first 60 people to pay only 25,000 naira. You're not doing it for your business alone. Companies pay for their people, for their workers to learn these things to run their business for them, right? So you're not learning it for your business alone. You're learning it to do it for other people and get paid. Naira, dollars, and all of that. AI is the in thing now. AI is the future. AI is the future. That is what everybody works with. Coca-Cola ran an advert using AI for last Christmas. So for you to think that AI video ads, you think that it was a joke. You're even getting it for free. Okay? So you're to pay 25,000 naira. However, I said however. Here is the juicy part. We are giving further discounts for those that will pay within the next 48 hours. If you're willing to join this cohort, you're willing to pay and you're set, you're willing to pay and join this training, the next 48 hours, we are giving you the chance to make a payment of just 12,780 naira. 12,780 naira. For the next 48 hours, 12,780 naira. You're going to learn everything and also have access to every bonus we have mentioned here, including the Facebook ad training. Yes. Only that one is 20,000, not to talk of the other ones that are in hundreds of thousands. You will join the mentorship, the VIP mentorship, where you get access to us to ask questions anytime you have them. Pay 12,780. So pay 12,780 naira within 48 hours into this account for easy verification. Okay, you can, once you make payment, send your screenshot to the group, the WhatsApp group that you are in, or you can also contact this WhatsApp number, right, with your screenshot so that you can be added immediately after verification to the group for this particular training. As I said, you're not paying 753,700. You're not paying 50,000. That is for the course. You're not even paying 25,000 if you pay within 48 hours. Pay within 48 hours, 12,780 naira into this account, so you'll be able to get verified and sent straight to the group for this training. This training is going to last for 2 weeks, as I said. And I want to say thank you so much. I want to say thank you so much for this time, for learning with us and all of that. Remember, as part of the bonuses, I mentioned that there is one that you pay 75,000 naira for, which is you're supposed to pay, but you're getting it for free, which is our 60 days content creation challenge. It's a challenge where we push ourselves to get create our channels and be able to post consistently for 60 days, thereby getting up to 500 plus and above, 500 to 1,000 subscribers, because at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours you get monetized. So in that challenge, we are pushing ourselves to post every day until the end of the 60 days, so that our channels will be up and running and would have enough people to make money in different ways. As I said, for YouTube, You don't even have to make money with just YouTube ads. You make money through different means. So thank you so much for joining us tonight. Thank you so much for paying attention. Thank you so much for learning. I know you learned a lot. A lot of people said interesting. A lot of people said, when is the class holding? Okay, we will answer these questions in the group chat. Okay, right after this particular session. Please drop your questions. If you have any question, you can drop it in the group chat. Drop it in the group chat so that we can go off this call. It's already 11 p.m. Thank you so much. We really appreciate. Thank you, Victoria. You said you have done well. Great teacher. How do we create our YouTube channel and start practical immediately? Just go to the group chat, okay? I've shown you what to do already. We are going to take you by hand. Okay, yes, you can create this avatar using your mobile phone. Just go to the website Humva AI, HUMVA.ai, and you'll be able to create this. If I say value. I love this. Thank you, Feoluwa. Thank you. I'm scrolling to check our questions because I mentioned that we are going to look through it immediately after the class. Okay, someone says, pardon me if I say I need to know about the AI avatar tool so as to head to bed from work. Okay, head to bed for work tomorrow. Great job, Mrs. Joy. Alright, I've mentioned all of them. You can watch this video tomorrow morning and then continue. All right. Okay. I need to see whether we have other questions before we say good night. Okay. I'm going to drop the video in the group, so don't worry. I'm going to drop the video in the group. All right. So I would say, thank you so much. If I say thank you, Ma. Thank you so much, there. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. All right. So good night, everyone. Have a great night rest. See you in the group chat. Drop your questions there. It will be answered. Whatever it is you need, drop it in the group chat. We'll attend to you and promptly. Don't worry. Please take good care of yourself. And for those that mentioned that they are going to work, I would love you to